majority of store-bought dressings are full of ingredients that we should not be consuming. They cause inflammation or they're just not natural ingredients. I'm going to show you how to make a clean ingredient Caesar dressing, which is super easy to make, and you can make in big batches or small batches. Ingredients will be posted at the end of the video. You're going to go ahead and gather all of your ingredients and you're going to add them inside a food processor. Make sure to blend this nicely, and of course do a little taste test. If you want to add more anchovies, you can add more. If you need more water, add more water. Adjust all the ingredients to your liking. As you can see, the final product is a beautiful creamy Caesar dressing, which you can now store in your refrigerator and pour over your salads to make them a little more presentable and more tasty, and you don't have to feel guilty about consuming ingredients that are not healthy for you or that are going to cause unwanted weight. I'm going to go ahead and follow up this video with an at-home homemade crouton recipe, which is a lot healthier than your store-bought. Let me know if you try this recipe, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can follow up this wonderful Caesar dressing with some fresh homemade croutons, and you'll be notified when that video is up. Enjoy!